Could a single glass of water change your health forever? What if we told you there's a golden ingredient that could transform your health in ways you never imagined? Turmeric water, an ancient remedy rediscovered, has been quietly holding secrets to a stronger immune system, better sleep, and an incredible internal cleanse. It's time to pull back the curtain and dive into this centuries-old wonder. Stick around, and you'll learn how this simple nightly ritual can unlock 10 transformative benefits for your health. Ready to tap into ancient wisdom and start your health revolution? Let's explore the ancient roots of turmeric. Turmeric has been a cornerstone of traditional medicine for thousands of years. From its origins in India's Ayurvedic practices to its spread through China, the Middle East, and beyond, this golden spice has been celebrated for its healing properties. Its active compound, curcumin, has drawn modern scientific attention for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant power. Today, turmeric bridges ancient wisdom and modern science, offering a blend of natural healing and preventive care. How to make turmeric water. Creating turmeric water is simple, yet its impact can be profound. Here's how to prepare it. Ingredients: 1/2 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 glass of warm water. Optional. Add black pepper or honey for enhanced benefits. Instructions: dissolve turmeric powder in warm water. Stir well. Drink about an hour before bed to maximize its effects. 10 life-changing benefits of turmeric water at night. 1. Anti-inflammatory properties. Curcumin, the powerhouse in turmeric, fights inflammation at its core. This can alleviate pain, reduce swelling, and even prevent chronic diseases like arthritis, heart disease, and diabetes. 2. Antioxidant superpower. Turmeric water neutralizes harmful free radicals, shielding your cells from damage. It also enhances your body's own antioxidant enzymes, combating aging and chronic diseases from the inside out. 3. Digestive aid. A glass of turmeric water stimulates bile production, aiding digestion and alleviating bloating. It also soothes inflammation in the gut, making it a valuable remedy for conditions like IBS and Crohn's disease. 4. Immune booster. Turmeric's antimicrobial properties enhance your immune system, helping you fend off infections. It also modulates immune response, ensuring your defenses are balanced and effective. 5. Liver detoxifier. Turmeric water supports liver function by stimulating enzymes that break down toxins. This natural detox keeps your liver efficient and your body in optimal balance. 6. Heart health champion. Curcumin improves blood vessel function, regulates blood pressure, and supports healthy cholesterol levels. These benefits collectively reduce the risk of heart disease. 7. Weight loss ally. By boosting metabolism and regulating fat storage, turmeric water can complement your weight loss efforts. Its anti-inflammatory effects further enhance your body's ability to shed excess fat. 8. Better sleep. Turmeric relaxes your body and mind, helping you achieve deeper, more restful sleep. It also reduces stress and anxiety, common culprits of sleepless nights. 9. Glowing skin. Turmeric's antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties promote clear, youthful skin. It combats oxidative stress, enhances collagen production, and supports cell repair. 10. Blood sugar regulation. Turmeric water improves insulin sensitivity, helping regulate blood sugar levels. This makes it a powerful tool for preventing and managing diabetes. FAQs about turmeric water. Can I drink turmeric water daily? Yes, it's safe for most people. Start with small amounts and adjust based on your body's response. Who should avoid turmeric water? Consult a doctor if you have gallbladder issues, are pregnant, or take blood-thinning medications. Can turmeric water help with belly fat? While not a magic solution, turmeric water supports weight loss by improving digestion and reducing inflammation. How much turmeric should I use? Begin with 1/4 teaspoon per glass, and increase to 1/2 teaspoon as you get accustomed to the taste. The takeaway: turmeric water is more than just a drink. It's a gateway to better health. From detoxifying your liver to improving sleep, its benefits are unmatched. Why not make this ancient remedy a part of your nightly routine? Embrace the golden key to wellness and unlock a healthier, happier you. Found this article helpful? Share it with others, and let's spread the wisdom of turmeric together. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comment section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.